In this video, we will show you how to hide rows in Google Sheets. To hide rows in Google Sheets, it's very easy. For example, we will creating some rows in here, and this will be hidden. Okay. To hidden these rows, we can just click in the rows here, and then you can right click and select hide row. You can see there, after number 5, the number 6 is hidden, and there is a row at to top and to bottom here. It's indicate that between 5 and 7 there is hidden rows. And to show the rows again, you can block between the hidden rows here, and you can right click and choose unhide rows. You can see the rows is unhide again, and to hidden again, you can just block like this and hide rows. Okay, that's all tutorial how to hide rows in Google Sheets. Hope this video helpful for you.